Hi, this is Juan, and today we're going to talk about drain cleaning. How to use the right machine for the right job. If your sewer backs up, and which is a 4-inch line, you're going to need a sewer machine. Okay. Now, it's basically the biggest machine with a snake. Okay. Now, if you have a 2-inch line, and 2-inch lines are usually from an outside clean out. It's usually a cap under a window that's connecting to a sink, a kitchen sink drain. So if it's on the outside, the access is on the outside, you're gonna need a drain machine. Okay, a drain machine is about 3/8 snake. It's like the medium-sized machine. So it's a bit smaller than the sewer machine, but a drain machine is for 2-inch drains only. If your sink is backed up and you need to go through an 1.5-inch trap, or you need to go under the sink, you're gonna need a sink machine. Okay, it can go through 1.5-inch traps, it can go through 1.5-inch pipe under the sink. Okay, so if you're not using the appropriate machine, guys, for the appropriate pipe size, you're wasting your time. Or in regards to the sewer, you could break something. If that sewer machine doesn't go through the right size pipe, you could actually get stuck on something or break something and make the job a lot bigger. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If we can be of any help, you got our number. Thank you, bye-bye.